Finally, the top tower computer case is the Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO. This unit stands as the pinnacle of the HAF legacy, offering unparalleled performance and a wealth of DIY opportunities honed over a decade of relentless development. This case not only redefines thermal efficiency but also takes PC DIY to the next level, turning it into both a hobby and an art form. Cooling takes center stage in the HAF 700 EVO, providing an array of options for out-of-the-box support. You have the freedom to choose your ideal cooling setup, whether you prefer different radiator sizes or mounting locations. A standout feature is the dual 7.87-inch SickleFlow PWM fans, delivering exceptional cooling performance while maintaining minimal noise. They are perfect for those intense overclocking sessions. With support for E-ATX motherboards and room for various graphics cards in both horizontal and vertical orientations, this case truly knows no bounds. Furthermore, the tool-less HDD cage in the rear chamber simplifies drive maintenance, ensuring easy access and hassle-free hard drive swaps. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO brilliantly combines the HAF legacy with cutting-edge cooling solutions, offering the ultimate DIY experience. It's undeniably the best tower computer case on the market, setting a new standard for enthusiasts and builders alike. Its pros are: it provides enough space and airflow for excellent cooling performance, even in demanding situations and with minimal noise. It supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, including E-ATX, and accommodates graphics cards in both horizontal and vertical orientations, giving you immense DIY flexibility. It has a rear tool-less drive cage that simplifies hard drive maintenance, allowing for quick access and swaps, and it has an integrated Iris LCD assistant, which is a unique feature that allows for real-time stats monitoring and customization. However, it may not be to everyone's tastes, as it focuses more on functionality than aesthetics. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is the ideal choice for PC enthusiasts seeking uncompromising cooling performance and versatile DIY options. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.